Good evening. Let us start today's lecture. I have already explained the formula for approximations. Let us revise that. What is f dash of a from the first principles? From the first principles, f dash of a is limit h tends to 0, f of a plus h minus f of a upon h. What does this mean? This means if h is very small, almost 0, then this is approximately equal to this. So in the next step, you will notice that I have not written limit h tends to 0. And that is why I have not written equal to. Now this stands for what? Division. No, this stands for approximately equal to. So this is approximately equal to f dash of a. Cross multiply. So f of a plus h minus fa is h into f dash of a. Rearrange the terms to get the formula for approximation as what? F of a plus h approximately equal to f of a plus h f dash of a. Now the quality of approximation depends on how small the value of h is. So if you consider h very small, then we get very good approximation. So let us solve sums now. Exercise 2.2, the first one. We have to find, let me explain, I'll give you time to write. We have to find fifth root of 31.98. So many students begin with let fx be fifth root of 31.98. This is not correct. Why? Because if you differentiate, derivative of right hand side will be 0. Okay. So I start with let fx. Now we have to find fifth root. So I say let fx be fifth root of x. Means what? X raised to 1 upon 5. Okay. So immediately we find f dash of x because we need that. What is derivative of x raised to 1 by 5? It is 1 upon 5. X raised to 1 upon 5 minus 1. That is x raised to minus 4 by 5. So it is 1 upon 5 into x raised to what? 4 by 5. Now choice of values of a and h is important. Now I will say we have to find, let me explain first. We have to find fifth root of which number? 31.98. Now do you know the number whose fifth root is known? Yes, it is 32 because 2 raised to 5 is 32. Therefore I say take a equal to 32, but remember total should be 31.98. So what will be the value of h? So in that case h will be minus h will be what? It will be minus 0.02. I hope you understand this. See, total should be 31.98 only. Okay. So minus 0.02. This is nothing but h. Now, if you say, sir, 1 raised to 5 is 1. So can we take h equal, rather a equal to 1? But in that case, what will be h? 30.98. See, if you substitute the values in the formula, you will get approximation. But that will be a bad approximation. Why? Because we say h is very small and you are considering h as 30.98. That is absurd. And therefore, we have to take a equal to 32 so that h will be minus 0.02. Write down. First write down this, then I'll explain. So what next? What will be f of a? It will be f of 32. But fx is x raised to 1 by 5. So f32 will be what? 32 raised to 1 by 5, which is nothing but 2. Fifth root of 35. 32 is 2. So what is f dash of a? It is f dash of 32. That is 1 upon 5 into 32 raised to 4 by 5. Laws of indices. What is difficult? Derivatives and applications. No, you should be able to apply laws of indices. 32 is 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5 raised to 4 by 5 is 2 raised to 4. That is 16, which is 1 upon 80. Now you have to convert 1 upon 80 into decimal. Note that if denominator is power of 2 into 10 in this case, of course, then you get terminating decimal. So it is 0.0125. Okay. Now after this, you have to write the formula for approximation and then substitute the values. Write down. Write down. So by approximation formula, what is f of a plus h? It is approximately f of a plus h f dash of a. Presentation is important. So you have to say fifth root of 31.98 is approximately, substitute the values. What is f of a? It is nothing but 2 minus 0.02, okay, into 0.0125. Now tell me what is the final answer. You should be able to simplify this. Now second sum, we have to find cube of 4.01. Please don't start with let fx be cube of 4.01, because if you differentiate, RHS being constant, derivative will be 0. So basically it is cube. So you have to define fx as x cube. What is derivative of x cube? It is 3x square. Now we have to find cube of 4.01. So you use common sense. Take a equal to what? Take a equal to 4, because 4 cube can be obtained easily. So h has to be 0.01. See, even if you take a equal to 3, you will get the answer, but that will not be a good approximation. Okay. So what is f of a? It is nothing but f of 4, right? That is 4 cube, which is 64. What is f dash of a? F dash of a is f dash of 4. So it is nothing but 3 into 4 square, which is nothing but 48. Now I will not write, but every time you have to say, not say, you have to write the formula for approximation is. The formula for approximation is. You have to mention the formula and then substitute the values. Isn't it interesting? Substitute the values now. Therefore, 4.01 cube is approximately equal to 64 plus 0.01 into 48. So what is the approximate value? 64.48. It is better if you write answer separately. In calculus, you have to remember two things. Angle must be expressed in radian, and secondly, base of logarithm must be e if you want to find its derivative. So derivative of log x to the base e is 1 upon x. If the base is other than e, first you have to change the base to e and then use differentiation. Now second sum, first part, we have to find sine of 29 degree and 30 minute. We are given that 1 degree is what? 0.0175 radian, and you have to use root 3 as 1.732. So we define fx as sine x. So what is derivative? Cos x. Now we have to find sine 29 degree 30 minute. You should know this relation, that 180 degrees make pi radian, 1 degree 60 minute, and 1 minute equal to 60 second. So here we take change the color. So take A equal to what? Take A equal to 30 degrees, that is pi by 6 radian. Okay, but the total should be what? See, we are asked to find sine ratio of 29 degree and 30 minute. Okay, therefore I have to say h equal to minus 30 minute. Now tell me what is minus 30 minute. By that we mean minus half degree, but angle must be expressed in radian. So we have to multiply it by what? 0.0175. Now you can find the answer. So this is nothing but minus 0. What will be it? It will be 0.00875. Okay. See, if you consider h as 30 or minus 30, that is absurd. Actually, h is not minus 30. H is minus 0.00875. Now proceed. Find out f of a, f dash of a, and so on. So f of a is f of pi by 6. What is sine pi by 6? Sine pi by 6 is half, that is 0.5. Okay. Then what is f dash of a? F dash of a is f dash of pi by 6. That is cos 30 degrees. Now you should know that what is cos 30 degrees? It is root 3 upon 2. Don't argue that, sir, we are given root 3. So how come root 3 by 2? We are asked to take root 3 as 1.732. But cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. Okay. So it is 1.732 divided by 2. Now find out. So 0.866. This is 0.866. Now we are in a position to find the answer. You have to say formula for approximation is, so f of a plus h approximately fa plus h f dash of a. Substitute the values and tell me the answer. Therefore, sine of 29 degree 30 minute is approximately equal to, substitute, it is 0.5 minus 0. What was that? 0, 0, I think 875. Okay, multiplied by 0.866. What is difficult? Multiplication. I will give some time. Please do calculation independently. Do not use calculator. Now somebody will ask me, sir, can we use log tables? The answer is yes, but why to use that? Just take the product. 875 into 866, right? 866 as 800 plus 60 plus 6 and so on. Tell me the answer. Next sum, tan of 45 degree and 40 minute is to be obtained. Okay, so if you use log table, you get the same answer. Very good. Now you will wonder, but this is only an approximation. Log table also gives an approximate value only. Okay, so yeah, for tan of 45 degree and 40 minute, you have to take A as 45 degrees, that is pi by 4 radian. Okay, and what is H? H is 40 minute, that is 40 upon 60 degree. That is, I will write 2 upon 3 degree. Okay. Now multiplied by 0.0175. So 2 upon 3 into 0.0175. Tell me what is h finally? I think it is 0.01167. 0.01167 radian. Remember. Now after completing this, substitute the values. You have to say the formula for approximation is and so on. Of course, before that, you have to find. So what is f of a? F of a is nothing but f of pi by 4. What is tan pi by 4? Tan pi by 4 is 1. Now, if you take 1 minute just to write the value of 1, then you don't deserve to score good marks in exam. What is f dash of a? It is f dash of pi by 4, that is sec square pi by 4. What is cos pi by 4? It is 1 by root 2. So sec pi by 4, root 2 square, which is nothing but 2. Okay. Now substitute the values in the formula. After this, you have to write, therefore, formula for approximation is f of a plus h is approximately fa plus h f dash of a. Now substitute and tell me what is the answer. Parth, you are absolutely right. Now we find f of a and f dash of a. F of a is tan pi by 4, that is 1. F dash of a is what? Sec square pi by 4, which is nothing but 2. Then write formula for approximation. If you substitute the values, then you get tan of 45 degree 40 minute approximately 1 plus what is h? 0.01167 multiplied by 2, that is 1.02334. So this is the final answer. Let me show the previous part. H is 40 minute, that is 2/3 degree, that is 2 by 3 into 0.0175, which is 0.01167 radian. Okay. Now if you have finished the solution, third sum, first part, cot inverse 0.999. So I say let fx be cot inverse x. So what is f dash of x? What is derivative of cot inverse x? It is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now you have to take a equal to 1, because what is cot inverse 1? It is nothing but tan inverse 1 upon 1, that is tan inverse 1, which is pi by 4. So if I take a equal to 1, total should be what? 0.999. So tell me what is h? H has to be minus 0.001. Now don't say, are we supposed to convert this into radian? Remember, cot inverse 0.999. 0.999 is not an angle, it is the ratio. Cot inverse of that is the angle. Okay, so h as it is. Now tell me the values. What is f of a? It is f of 1, which is cot inverse 1. What is cot inverse 1? It is pi by 4. Okay, so it is pi by 4. Then f dash of a, it is f dash of 1. What is f dash of 1? It is minus 1 upon 1 plus 1 square, which is nothing but minus half. Okay, Good. Now substitute. You have to say formula for approximation is f of a plus h approximately fa plus h f dash of a. Therefore, cot inverse 0.999 is approximately pi by 4. Okay. What is h? Minus 0.201 into minus half. Now, why I'm writing equal to? Because we are not supposed to simplify this approximately. We have to simplify this exactly. Okay. So pi by 4 plus 0.0005. I will put this in a bracket radian. Let me explain. See, many students, what they do, let me explain. They say, sir, 45 degree. So final answer they write as 45 point not 5 degree. Wrong. Because pi by 4 is 45 degree. True. But this part is in radian. So you'll have to convert this also into radian. Okay. Now I remember once in CET or board exam, I'm not sure. The final answer, it was an MCQ, and final answer was given as what? It was given as 0.7859. 0.7859. Why? See, pi by 4. What is pi? I can take pi as 3.1416. Okay. Upon 4 plus 0.0005. So if you simplify this, wait, क्या हुआ? If you simplify this, then you get 1 minute. If you simplify this, then you get 0.7859. But again, this is radian. Okay, so write down. But in exam, you are supposed to write this pi by 4 plus 0.0005. Put this in a bracket radian. But what is pi? Pi is 3.1416 upon 4 plus this. So on simplification, you get this as the answer. Write down. Now in the next sum, we have to find tan inverse 1.001. Have you observed that we are going to get the same answer? See, we take fx as what? Tan inverse x. So what is f dash of x? 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now, as we have to find tan inverse of 1.001, we take a equal to 1. So h has to be plus 0.001. In the previous sum, derivative was negative, h was negative. So product positive. Here both are positive. So we expect the same answer. That is pi by 4 plus 0.0005. Okay. So let us proceed. So what is f of a? F of a is tan inverse 1, which is pi by 4. What is f dash of a? It is 1 upon 1 plus 1 square, that is 1 upon 2. Complete the solution. So formula for approximation is so it will be tan inverse 1.001 approximately pi by 4, h is what? 0.001, same, into half. So tan inverse 1.001 is approximately pi by 4 plus 0.0005. Okay, so this is the answer. Now if MCQ is asked and you won't find option in this form, the reason can be pi is taken as 3.1416 upon 4 plus 0.0005. So on simplification, you get this as 0.7859. Right now. Now sum number 4, we are asked to find approximate value of e raised to 2.1 given that e square is 7.389. So obviously we will take fx as e raised to x. So what is f dash of x? E raised to x. Now you have to take a equal to 2. Reason, common sense. Value of e square is given. So you have to take a equal to 2 only. Simple. Right? So f of a, before that, if a is 2, what is h? It is 0.1. So it is f of a e square 7.389. What is f dash of a? Same, e square. Then you have to mention the formula for approximation. We have to actually write this by using formula for approximation. F of a plus h. What is that formula? It is approximately equal to fa plus h f dash of a. Okay. Now I can say f of 2.1 is approximately f2 plus 0.1 f dash of 2. Substitute the values. So e raised to 2.1 is approximately 7.389 plus 0.1 into 7.389. Now you will tell me the value. So 2.1. See, calculation is important. Okay, so what is finally e raised to 2.1? It is approximately 8.1279. Now the next one, first part, we have to find log of 9.01 to the base e. What is given? Log 3. See, base is not mentioned, means log 3 to the base e is given. 1.0986. Okay. So how to define the function? We define fx as log x, of course base is e, and that is why derivative f dash of x is what? 1 upon x. Now tell me what should be the value of a. Take a equal to 9. So what is h? It is 0.01. It's not at all difficult. This is the simplest application. So what is f of a? It is f of 9. That is log 9. Okay. Now tell me how to find log 9. Log 9 is nothing but log of 3 square. We have to make use of given result. Log 3 is given. Log of m raised to n is what? It is n log m. So it is 2 log 3. That is 2 into log 3 is given to be what? 1.0986. So find the value. Then f dash of a. What is f dash of a? It is nothing but 1 upon x. I'm sorry, not 1 upon x. It is 1 upon a. I must write. So f dash of a f dash of a is 1 upon a, but a is 9, so 1 upon 9. Therefore, formula for approximation is f of a plus h approximately equal to f of a plus h f dash of a. Every time you have to write the formula. See, here we are doing 8 to 10 sums, but in exam, at the most only one sum will be asked on approximations, right? Therefore, log of 9.01 to the base e, of course, is approximately equal to 2 into 1.0986. You have to find the product, plus what is h? H is nothing but 0.01 into 1 upon 9. Now you have to tell me the answer. I will not tell you. Write your answer in chat box. Karthik, your answer is correct. Ananti, answer is wrong. Parth, answer is wrong. See, what is important? Calculations. You have to do calculations on your own. I will wait. Tell me the answer. So what is log of 9.01? It is approximately 2.1983. Now the next one is important. We are asked to find log of 1016 to the base 10. Listen to me. We define f of x as log x to the base 10 only and not log x to the base e, because we have to find log of 1016 not to the base e but to the base 10. But the problem is we cannot find derivative of log x to the base 10 as it is, and for that we change the base to e, use change of base formula. So log x to the base e upon log 10 to the base e. Now 1 upon log 10 to the base e is log e to the base 10, log x as it is. Now we are in a position to find the derivative. So what is f dash of x? 0.4343 is constant. I think in chemistry also, I don't know the topic, but you have to use this formula in which 0.4343 appears, because it is actually log e to the base 10. Okay. And what is derivative of log x? It is nothing but 1 upon x. So this is what f dash of x. Now tell me what will be a and what will be h. So take a equal to 1000, because 1000 can be expressed as power of 10, so that h will be 16. Now complete the solution. Okay, so take a equal to 1000, h equal to 16. So what is f of a? F of 1000, that is log 1000 to the base 10. 1000 is 10 cube. Log of m raised to n, n log m. So 3 log 10 to the base 10. Log of any number to the same base is 1, because logarithm is the power to which base should be raised. 10 raised to 1 is 10. So 3 into 1, that is 3. Similarly, f dash of a is what? 0.4343 upon 1000. Okay. Now I have kept this as it is because we have to multiply it by 16. Okay. Or you can convert it into decimal, no problem. So write the formula for approximation. What is f of a plus h? It is approximately f of a plus h f dash of a. Therefore, log of 1016 to the base 10 is approximately 3 plus 16 into 0.4343 upon 1000. Now take your own time and tell me what is the final answer. Next sum is sum number 6. What is fx? X cube plus 5x square minus 7x plus 10. What is f dash of x? 3x square plus 10x minus 7. Now we are asked to find value of the function at which point? 1.12. So it is logical to take a as 1 because f of 1 can be obtained easily. So h has to be what? 0.12. So f of a is f of 1. So it is 1 cube plus 5 into 1 square minus 7 into 1 plus 10. So I think it is 9. Check kara. 9. So what is f dash of a then? It is f dash of 1. So 3 into 1 square plus 10 into 1. Okay. So this is nothing but 6. Now write formula for approximation. So it is 9 plus 0.12 into 6. So f of 1.12 is approximately 9.72. So we'll stop here. In tomorrow's lecture, we'll be discussing two important theorems, Rolle's theorem, and second one is Lagrange's mean value theorem.